what you're seeing here is an example of a seedless vascular plant. So it does have xylem and phloem. It does have the ability for bulk transport of nutrients and water, but it doesn't have seeds. This is from division pterophyta, and we use division sometimes in fungi and lichens too. Why? Because people thought of them as plants at one time, I guess. I'm not sure. But divisions are what we use with plants. But these are ferns. These are rock polypody, and they grow in rocky areas and on top of rocks. And there's a rock underneath there. And I have one in my hand, a frond, if you will, a leaf basically. And you can see on the little leaflets on the side, right there, we call them pinnae, you see sori, which are where the spores are. And this is the sporophyte generation here. Now, the gametophyte is also substantial, and this is why we could talk about alternation of generations in the case of fern, but this is the sporophyte here that you normally see. Again, the vascular system, it does extend throughout that stem as well as the middle of the leaves. It does go out that way as well, but it does not have seeds. And that's one reason that they usually grow in fairly moist areas. And this is a moist area, and you can actually see an example of another non-seedless plant below it. I'm dealing with moss. Now we're dealing with division Bryophyta. And Bryophyta depends on motile sperm and moist areas as well for reproduction, and it is not vascular, and that's one reason why it can't grow very high. These guys are vascular, and therefore they can grow taller. These guys, non-vascular, so they can't transport, they don't use bulk transport that way, and they need that moisture in order to survive, and they can't deliver it through means of xylem and phloem.